So the first thing you want to do when dealing with a vector problem is draw a triangle. So here's an example of a triangle. Now the vector itself will always be the hypotenuse. And the right angle will be between the two components of the vector. So make sure you draw the right angle and label it here. Since v is the vector, it's the longest side. And the right angle is opposite to the hypotenuse. Sometimes I see students draw a vector like this, and then this would be v, and then they draw the components like this. Now, of course, the right triangle here would be up here, so that's incorrect. The longest side in this triangle would be this one down here, so that's not the correct way to draw a triangle when dealing with vectors. And since we're dealing with vectors, you also want to make sure you draw all the arrowheads. Now, the next thing you want to ask yourself is, which angle am I interested in? So if the problem that you're dealing with, for example, gives you an angle with respect to the x-axis, the horizontal axis, like an elevation angle, then this is the type of triangle you want to draw with the angle with respect to the x-axis, in which case the opposite side will be vy and the adjacent side will be vx. However, some problems will be interested or will mention an angle with respect to the y-axis. In this case, you want to draw the triangle in this way. So the angle here would be with respect to the y-axis, and the opposite side will be vx, while the adjacent side will be vy. Well, I hope this was helpful to you. Please ask any questions in the comments, and of course, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Bye now.